Hi, second grade. Okay, so Screencastify is great, but they cut my time limit, so I got to make this a quick video. I wanted to talk to you a couple of strategies that might be awesome helpers for you while you are learning more and practicing your math facts. One of the great tools I have, I'm using my essential oils, but you could use anything you want. I don't see any problem with anything at all. Beans, Cheerios, chocolate chips, whatever you want to do. So you have 4, right? And we're doing a subtraction problem. You always start with the top number and get as many as the top number is. So let's just say I had 4, subtract 2. So we start with 4 and I subtract 2. How many I got left? 1, 2. See, it's really easy to do that, especially in subtraction, because then you're always starting with the top number. If your top number was 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And you're subtracting 1. How many I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can always count up and figure out your answer. If you can in your head do it, awesome job. Same thing with adding. So you always have a bunch of them ready to go. So like right here, I have this little case that holds my oils. So I'm using my oils and I am looking, and the first part of the problem says do 3. So I'm going to pull out 1, 2, 3. Then the next part of the problem says you add 6. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now I have 6 and 3, and I put them all together, and I'm going to count them all. I'm just going to count them all right here on my dresser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can do it that way until in your mind you can imagine in your head really fast. The more you practice, the easier it's going to get. So just keep on practicing. Get little toys, get Legos, get trucks, get cars. It doesn't matter to me. All right. The next thing, because I only have 3 more minutes, I got to chug through this. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is our reading lesson. Reading the story number 2. It's Not Yet Clarita. If you can read this Not Yet Clarita, we're going to move on to the next part. So I want to just talk to you about a few things. The first thing is the thing called compound words. So looking here, I've got some compound words for you. The first word is Sunday. It's one word, but it's 2 words smashed together. So 2 words that got squished in, a couch or something together. The first word is some, and the second word is day, some day. When they're smashed together, it's not some, like a bunch of little things, but it's just like a distance. Something will happen someday in the distance. So it changes the word when you smash them together. The next word is goldfish. If you look right here, gold and then fish. So in your brain, I say the word gold and you think of maybe a ring or something. And then I say the word fish and you can think about whatever kind of fish. But then I put them together and it's a type of fish. It's a goldfish. Okay? The next word is dump truck. So if we're looking at this one, dump is the first word, truck is the second word. The dump is a gross place. A truck is a car type of vehicle that carries. Smush them together. It's a type of car that takes trash to the trash can. The last one is birthday. Birth and then day. So birth is your first word. Day is your second word. Birth means like when you're born. My puppy had his birthday is just recently was born, stuff like that. Those are 2 words smashed together to make a different word with a different meaning. All right, the next one is, we talked about this before, contractions. Contractions are things like I'll, which is 2 words, I and will. And this is how I imagine contractions. You've got 2 words that are driving along in 2 cars and they're about to get smashed. And this W and this I did not keep on their seatbelt. So they got flown out. And the LL and the I, and they have a little Band-Aid here to hold the spot where the W and the I should be. Same thing with I and the am. The A was not wearing a seatbelt, flew away. So now we have I'm. And the Band-Aid here is the apostrophe. And the last one, because I only have 30 seconds, the last one is old family. So when you put a B in front of old, it's bold. A G in front of old, it's gold. F in front of old, it's fold. You can take any of those and you can add a letter to it and you'll probably come up with a word. All right, friends, read the story and I'll see you on Tuesday. I think it is the 7th. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.